The lost world of Socotra, a place unlike any other. Socotra is a tiny island in the Arabian Sea. It's only 83 by 27 miles, but it's a whole different world. Biologists are still puzzled by Socotra's biodiversity. It has an incredible number of endemic species. In the center of Socotra are the Hajhir Mountains. The rugged granite peaks rise to nearly 5 feet. The diversity of plant life here is the highest in Southeast Asia. Socotra's most famous plant is the dragon blood tree. According to ancient legends, the tree is a petrified dragon. The red sap of the tree resembles dragon blood. The natives used it to cure all kinds of ailments. Socotra's natural wonders have always attracted keen interest. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all came here. Socotra was famous for frankincense and medicinal aloe. Dragon blood was used as an artist's pigment. Adventurers of old told stories of an island guarded by giant snakes. The Queen of Sheba and Alexander the Great dreamed of Socotra's riches. Marco Polo called its inhabitants the most expert enchanters in the world. The value of incense and dragon blood peaked during the Roman era. Afterward, the island served mostly as a way station for traders. For centuries, it remained unchanged. There were no paved roads or airports until 1999. Some 250 million years or more ago, Socotra was already an island. Even when all the planet's major landmasses were joined, it was apart. That's why Socotra's wildlife is so unique. There are over 800 endemic species. Plants on the island have evolved strange shapes to adapt to its arid climate. Dragon blood trees aren't the only odd trees on Socotra. There's also the desert rose, also called a bottle tree. It stores water in its huge trunk and hardly grows any leaves or flowers. Myrrh trees also grow naturally here. Like frankincense, myrrh was once a valuable aromatic oil. Of course, it's not only the landscape that makes Socotra unique. There are 192 different bird species that either live on the islands or visit during migration. The only mammals native to Socotra are bats, which live in the many caves. But there are lots of different kinds of reptiles. These include the unique Socotran chameleon. Socotra is also home to several species of skinks. Skinks are lizards that look like snakes because of their very small legs. Marine life is incredibly rich here. The sea around Socotra is home to over 1,000 species. More than 50,000 people live on this island. Even the Socotri language is unique. It's a living linguistic fossil of archaic vestiges that predate Arabic. There is an ancient tradition of poetry. A poetry competition is held annually on the island. The Socotri people have led a relatively isolated existence for centuries. It was only in the 21st century that things began changing. Socotra is now a popular ecotourism destination. Officially, Socotra is part of Yemen. But in reality, it's ruled by local militias. It's considered a safe place to visit.